Welcome to the incredible street moments that happen seconds before a car crashes. If they weren't filmed, you'd never believe they actually happened. From dangerous situations to bizarre actions, you'll be amazed at what's about to be revealed.
Meu Deus do céu! Meu Deus, caralho!
Always use the low definition trick to ensure safety when operating the vehicle, especially on steep terrain. Light overloading does not endanger yourself but still affects other road users.
Meu Deus do céu! Meu Deus, caralho! Meu Deus do céu, olha só, bicho.
Stephen was moving on the road when a collision suddenly occurred because the car behind stopped to change lanes. Due to not paying attention, he did not have time to brake, leading to the collision. Always focus on observing the traffic situation ahead and around. Please keep the entire distance and pay attention to the signs from other vehicles. Charles had an accident on the highway when the car in front was lucky to avoid a parked trailer, but Charles did not respond, leading to a collision. When driving at high speed, always maintain a safe distance and concentrate to have enough time to respond to unexpected problems. The red car did not pay attention to the rear, but fortunately the car behind reacted in time and avoided the collision. Always check your rearview mirror and observe carefully before changing lanes or stopping suddenly. Make sure you are not only safe for yourself but also for the vehicles around you. He did not pay attention to the vehicles in front that were stopped at a red light because he was on the phone. Not using the phone while driving is an important principle to ensure safety. Focus on observing and keeping a safe distance to avoid unfortunate accidents. When changing waves on the highway, always turn on the signal and observe the surrounding technology to ensure safety. Sudden changes can cause serious accidents, so be careful and responsible. The car was driving in the opposite direction without paying attention, encroaching on the opposite side of the road, causing danger and danger. The driver was seriously injured after the accident. Always concentrate and obey traffic rules, especially when driving in the opposite direction. It is important to protect not only yourself but also others on the road when driving. When approaching an intersection, always slow down and pay attention to instructions before continuing to turn. This caution can help you avoid unwanted accidents and protect everyone's safety. The car in front suddenly had a flat tire, causing it to lose control and crash into the barrier, causing a collision with nearby vehicles. To reduce the risk of an accident, regularly check and maintain your tires, making sure they are always in good condition. Mr. Gregory was driving on a one-way street and was driving close to the car in front. When the car in front suddenly stopped, he did not react and the collision occurred. Always maintain a safe distance from the car in front to have enough time to react in an emergency. When driving in bad weather, reduce speed and keep a safe distance to avoid losing control. Slippery road conditions require more caution, so drive slowly and concentrate to ensure the safety of yourself and others. When driving, always be cautious and avoid dangerous maneuvers in narrow areas. Ensure a safe distance and check traffic conditions carefully before passing obstacles. A small car suddenly stopped at high speed, causing other vehicles to encounter unexpected problems. Fortunately, thanks to everyone's carefulness, a collision was avoided. Always maintain focus when driving at high speed. This gives you enough time to respond to unexpected problems. A small car traveling on the highway at high speed in heavy rain lost control and spun several times, but fortunately no accident occurred. In bad weather conditions, reduce speed and drive carefully. Slippery roads can cause sudden loss of control, so maintaining a safe speed and high concentration are very important to ensure the safety of you and others.
Конечно. О, Господи, я не знаю, прямо его.
When driving, especially near large freight vehicles, always maintain a safe distance and prepare for unexpected situations. Concentration and anticipation of risks can help avoid unfortunate accidents. After the storm, the power poles created a cross wire. It is very likely that he responded in time to the comments and avoided the danger. After the storm, if you find a dangerous problem, keep a safe distance and immediately report it to the functional agency for handling. When driving, always pay attention to checking the condition of the tires before starting off and maintain a safe speed. In case of emergency, stay calm and find a way to pull the car to the side of the road to ensure the safety of yourself and others. He deliberately ran a red light, leading to a serious accident. Obeying traffic signals is a basic principle to ensure everyone's safety. Never risk running a red light, because just a second of carelessness can cause unpredictable consequences. Drive responsibly to protect yourself and those around you. The tanker truck suddenly stopped on the highway. Even though he braked hard, the collision still occurred. On the highway, always maintain a safe distance from the vehicle in front to have enough time to react in an emergency. In particular, it is necessary to concentrate when driving to reduce the risk of accidents. James deliberately ran a red light, leading to a serious collision. Do not run a red light under any circumstances. Respecting traffic laws is the best way to protect yourself and others. Safety is always more important than saving a few seconds on the road. Andrew fell asleep while driving after a long trip, causing the car to crash into a guardrail. Fortunately, no serious collision occurred. To ensure safety, always get enough rest before driving, especially on long journeys. Alertness is the key to avoiding accidents. A serious chain reaction accident occurred when the snowstorm caused the cars to lose control and crash into each other, causing severe damage to many vehicles. In bad weather conditions, such as a snowstorm, slow down, keep a safe distance, and if necessary, find a safe place to stop until the situation improves.
Oh!
The small car suddenly changed lanes when approaching a turn and only announced the turn at the last minute. To avoid accidents, always follow the rule of signaling early and changing lanes slowly. The car in front collided with a large truck, causing the wheel to malfunction and leading to the car losing control and crashing into the truck. Always keep a safe distance from large vehicles to avoid sudden collisions and loss of control. The small car ran a red light and caused a serious traffic accident. Obeying traffic signals is extremely important to ensure your safety and the safety of other road users. Always stop at red lights and look carefully before proceeding. A small car traveling at high speed in heavy rain conditions lost control, spun around several times and collided with a large truck, causing serious damage to both vehicles. When driving in bad weather conditions such as heavy rain, reduce speed and keep a safe distance. Pay more attention and adjust your speed appropriately to reduce the risk of losing control and causing an accident. To ensure safety, maintain a reasonable distance from the vehicle in front and always pay attention to the surrounding traffic situation. Quick reflexes are important, but keeping a safe distance will help reduce the risk of an accident. A moment of inattention can have serious consequences, so focus on controlling your vehicle and the surrounding traffic situation. Hello everyone, thank you for watching the video until the end. If you find the video interesting and useful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss the latest videos about dangerous situations on the road. Don't forget to leave a comment to share your feelings. Your support is the biggest motivation for us to continue bringing attractive content. See you in the next videos.